Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SNDL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of showing these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. Does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very big movement today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down there at the volume and well above average volume on it. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could say up there above $4.90. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $4.90, I'm not saying the entire chart is destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a massive sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50 period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. That right there being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 490 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance going forward? For this, going to have to squeeze down the chart here a little bit and go back into the history of things. So the first and near-term level of resistance is right up there at $5.20. And you can see that's where it struggled with a few weeks ago. And then once again, right where it's struggling. But the good news is the price closed very, very closely to it. So while not a guarantee, it's also not unrealistic to think that there could be some sort of breakout occurring. If the price can get the 520 break, next key overall level of resistance would be that pink line up there, which on my chart denotes the very famous 200 period moving average, and that's currently valued at $5.44. So 520, 544, next couple of key levels of resistance going forward. All in all, though, anyway, look at it. Massive volume today, great price movement. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward? Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.